Now I will show you how to use this machine. First, we need link the teaching books and link to machine main card and the air. This is air in, air pressure need, and the downside is power. Link finish. We move right the power switch. We can see the machine is power on. Okay. Now we use the mode put to the machine. Then we can see this is the home page. So first we need to push teach manage, go in, and first I clear. Your machine, the teach file is nothing. So we need to make a new file. First we need to push F1 new to make a new file, and F3 to come back to home the machine. If I push, the machine is orange. Okay, now you can see here is a points list. Is nothing. Now we can push F1 new line. We choose the polyline or line or arc or cycle or anything. First we need to check the mode. Like this mode, we can use the polyline. Polyline means it's many points linked to line. It's polyline. First, like this mode, here set a point, line. It's the labels. So we use the polyline in this mode. If arrow mode, you can use point. Point means it's 1 point. The material going out, and the arc is 3 points linked to arc. The cycle the same, 3 points, 1, 2, 3. Then she will be linked the cycle. So this mode we use polyline. So we push 2 polyline line. In here we need by hand move the gunk to the mode. So we can see if I push down, you can check it moves slowly. If you want change speed, you just push shift. Now you can see is the high in the medium. Okay, then move the center. We can push enter, set a first point, push, and we move next point. Also push and 1 by 1 to push. Finish, we push escape. Now you can see in point list have many points. We can push down to the start to check. We can push enter, step to check. If I push, you can see the gunk. It's come back to the first point. Push again, it's next. Again, next. If you think like this point is some wrong, you can push. After you edit to change the position. Okay. Finish. We push Enter to OK. Push Escape. Come back. Check again. If you think it's nothing, we can push Escape. Use Work. Enter to work. Push F1. Run. You can see it's running. Okay. Push F2. Stop. Come back. Now I will show you how to copy. Copy is in F4 parameters. We can choose 4 away parameters, and we can see here we need push shift change to battage. Battage low and columns. Low is 2, 1, 2. Columns is 1, 2, 3. So we can change number 2 and 3, and push F1 to set the point. If I push F1, the machine is come back to home point. Then we can move. This is low. Low, the last point is in here. So we move. Move low points and push Enter OK to save. And you can see F2 columns. We also need the set. We push F2. The machine also come back to home point. So this is the column. Last point is in here. So we need to move to here. We move. That one. And we push Enter to save. Enter, save again. Now, Escape. We can check. Push Enter, work. Now you can see F1 run. Push F1. Machine is running. This is the copy. Okay, finish. If you want the machine work finish, come back to home point. We can set. Come back to teach manage. F4 parameters. You can see 3. Push 3 and action. And this one, push shift shoot to home. Then save. Then work finish. The machine will be come back to home point. Also, maybe you need to use the shortcuts. The machine have 12 shortcuts. You can save different mode to the shortcuts. When you push 1, maybe this mode, and you can change another mode. You can push 2. So I will show you how to make. Go to the teach manage. Then we push Enter, work. Push F4, state. You can see the shortcut. You can change. You can change any numbers have 12. Maybe I choose 1. Then I push Enter to save. If you want you check, you can push 1. Okay, finish.